Lun-Up Evo, the evolution of the original Lun-Up, is a typical example where the form of the light follows the form of the object we want to illuminate. The original Lun-Up was designed about 10 years ago. After 10 years, it was time to use new technology that was available. So our fitting became a lot smaller, as you can see. So the new optics that we are using is OptiBeam optics, which is an evolution and enhanced version of previous versions. It does provide quite large beams of light, even if you look at it physically, it's extremely small. So the visual comfort is really incredible. Lun-Up Evo also has a completely redesigned housing, which is made out of thermoplastic reinforced with fiberglass. The original and the main purpose of Lun-Up is uplight. But then it also allows you to create various different shapes with this quarter circle so that you can actually play and create many different forms. We also have a possibility of dimming through BLE-Dali system, or we can also connect via Bluetooth and we can control up to 32 units with our iPhone. This is a very simple object with incredible performances. It's actually a smile of light in your garden.